Hey guys, so I want to talk about a project I've been working on. It's using Python and Word. The idea behind this is to populate a Word document with all the information that I'm going to be pulling from a SQL server so that I don't have to fill it out more than once. So you could use this for a whole bunch of different things. And what I'm doing here is this is a BIM execution plan. I'm starting from scratch by creating all the information and then pushing in info that from the SQL server into these tables. So over here to the right, you can see I've got Python and a Jupyter notebook. I'll go over this stuff in depth in a later video, but for now I just want to explain kind of the premise of this project and then kind of talk about the more nitty gritty later on. So right here is the actual Word document information. So we're just creating some tables here. And then down here at the bottom, we have the Revit Health. So right here is the actual cell that we're pushing this information in. So this right here is data frame project information. That's what DFPI means, .IAT. And then this is the specific cell that is being pulled from the data frame that I've created. And then I'm pushing it into the table within Word. And I'll go over this in a later video as well. So again, the idea is to pull information that's already been populated and push it into documents that kind of want to show that same information. And it's just to reduce redundancy, because I feel like when we have to do the same thing over and over again, it just increases the potential for errors pretty much. So hopefully you guys see this as useful. If you want to see more of this, just let me know. If you have any questions, let me know. If you want to get this or get Jupyter Notebook, what I've used is the Anaconda Distribution, and you can just come out here and then pick out the system that you're on, so Windows for me, and then download it, and then you just run the exe. And just to show you guys this, you would just Anaconda prompt and then type in Jupyter Notebook. That's it. Press enter, wait a bit, it runs, opens. Here's your default location to browse out to a notebook, or you just do a new one and you're good to go. To me it looks, I know from, I don't have a programming background, it looks like there's a lot here, but really there's not. It's just a lot of copy paste. I mean, when you create these, you can just copy paste them to the next cell or the next table, and it's really it's not too bad. So let me know if you guys like this stuff, and I'll share all these links below. I've got a number of them up here as well. I'll share these. This is about Python-docx, which is the package that I'm actually using for this notebook. So I'll share that information with you guys. So yeah, I appreciate you watching. Thanks a lot.